Hey everyone, how would you like to walk along the shores of Lake Ontario? Welcome to Eastlake, Oakville. This is 217 Chebucto Drive. Here, you can build or renovate your dream home in this detached bungalow. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, an attached garage, and endless possibilities. This property features a side entrance that leads to your backyard, sitting on a 100-foot deep lot. It also leads down to your full unfinished basement that's just awaiting your personal touch. Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the tour. This is truly a great opportunity to own in Oakville, surrounded by beautiful trails, beautiful parks, and best of all, a short walk to the lake. So get in touch with me. Thanks for watching.